Welcome to NextGen Auto Tech, your go-to channel for everything automotive and innovative. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most capable and refined midsize trucks in America, the 2025 Ford Ranger. Built tougher, smarter, and more advanced than ever, the new Ranger carries Ford's iconic DNA while embracing the technology and versatility modern drivers demand. The 2025 model brings a bold, muscular design inspired by the F-150, featuring a larger grille, signature C-clamp LED headlights, and a stronger frame designed for both daily driving and hardcore adventures. Under the hood, the lineup starts with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine, producing 270 horsepower, but the real thrill comes with the 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost pushing 315 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. And for ultimate off-roaders, the Ranger Raptor variant delivers an impressive 405 horsepower from its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6. These engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and excellent towing capability, up to 7,500 pounds. Inside, the 2025 Ranger gets a complete tech overhaul, showcasing a modern and comfortable cabin with premium materials, improved sound insulation, and Ford's latest S1C4A infotainment system displayed on a massive 12-inch touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, while storage and cabin comfort make it a true work and play vehicle. Safety is equally impressive, with Ford Co-Pilot 360 offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for superior visibility on and off-road. Whether you're towing heavy loads, cruising highways, or tackling rugged terrain, the 2025 Ranger is engineered for it all. Its improved suspension, reinforced chassis, and optional off-road packages make it one of the most balanced trucks in its class. The new Ranger combines raw strength with modern-day intelligence, the kind of truck that's ready for any challenge without compromising comfort or efficiency. It's not just a pickup. It's a lifestyle built around power, performance, and precision. Thanks for watching NextGen Auto Tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, tech insights, and deep dives into the next generation of automotive design and innovation.